Hello, I'm Todd, and this is the Manhattan Project. I'm going to be your host for tonight's adventure. Um, Today we are reviewing this Baker's Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey, single barrel, 107 proof. Um, yeah, so interesting. This one on the label it says 7 years minimum. Up top, this bottle says it was aged 8 years, 7 months, and it was bottled on, no, date bottled to 2014. Sorry, I don't know why why I would attempt to read such small print. Um, my eyes right now. Anyways, uh, yeah, so I tried this neat the other night right after I bought it, and it was fantastic. It's very sweet, as most good bourbons are, or can be, I should say. I was very impressed with it. So if it's as good and neat as it was, yes, if it's as good in a Manhattan as it was neat, it's going to be really good. Um, Sorry for this. Didn't feel like putting on the lapels today, so I wanted to try out this microphone. We've done nothing as far as the trying to get back to our old microphone system since the basement flooded. So this is the first test. I wasn't going to waste content by not showing you this, and feel free to comment on it. Also, speaking of comments, last video I put over here, I guess, a video of a lady, and I don't know what she's doing, and I was hoping to get some feedback from y'all, but I didn't get any. So normally I just say move on, but no, I'm gonna stick it right back in the corner there until I get an answer. So that's the way it's gonna be moving forward. You're just gonna keep seeing that video. So now I'm gonna make the cocktail.
And when you're done picking up the trash, I need you to hand these out to every person that walks into this property in the facility, okay?
Okay.
Immediately.
Okay.
We just fired the person that does that, but now you have been promoted. You are now one of my elite employees. You missed some trash over there, honey. All right.
It's all the trash all around there.
The leaves are trash to me. There's the leaves and all the debris. And if you can, make sure you dust out here on the roof. I'm allergic to dust. And stop recording that. It's not what you're getting paid for.
All right, we're back. Throwing in our patented Bada Bing cherry. I'm already liking the color of this. Ooh, it looks very rich, doesn't it? All right, again, Baker's single barrel bourbon, 107 proof. Hope it's good. Cheers. Oh boy, that's phenomenal. Yeah, I don't know what to say. This is like this is very far up there at this point. We've done some really good ones, but this one's high up there. I'm gonna put this at a 9.75, and hoping Jesse will agree. This one will have to stay on the shelf so it doesn't get drank before he gets back. Um, yeah, that's it. That's it for today's episode. Like and subscribe. Out.